We wanted to do a little video to kind of give you an update on the Georgetown. We've owned it just about a year now, and we really like it. We've put 10,000 miles on it so far. No major issues. We are going to take it in for a few little minor warranty issues, but nothing major. It's turned out to be a really nice coach. We're going to take you through the list of minor warranty items that we're going to get repaired so that everyone can see what to look out for. So the first one is one of these LED lights on the front of the coach here. Doesn't work. This is our second repair. The piece of rubber that goes around the cable here is torn at the top, and the piece of rubber is missing. And then therefore the seal is all torn.
Alright.
So our third issue is our dinette. When we first got it, we noticed that there was a little bit of a kind of a crack at the corner, but then during one of our trips it started cracking, and then on one of the most recent trips it just snapped right in half. So our fourth issue is that throughout the coach we're missing several of these plugs that go over the screws. Not a major issue, but definitely something that we would like to have fixed. So the last issue is the frosted on the glass is starting to peel, and it has gotten worse over the course of the year. So that's definitely a fix that needs to be repaired. Other than those minor issues, it's been a really great year in this coach. We really like the coach. It has fit our needs completely, plenty of storage, and we've taken several really nice trips. Today is an exciting day. Our RV is finally ready to be picked up from its repairs, so we're on our way to get it. We dropped it off on March 28th. Today is June 13th, so it took 11 weeks to make the repairs. Most of this was due to the fact that we dropped it off right as the COVID situation was starting and everything was shutting down. So it took longer than it normally would have. The dealership is approximately 2.5 hours from our house in Sandusky to the Dayton area. So we will show you the repairs once we pick it up. So we're pulling into the dealership to pick it up. And it's outside waiting for us. This is Paul Sherry RV. It's in Piqua, Ohio. This Paul Sherry RV is a large dealership. There's a lot of campers of different sizes. So we're back at our indoor storage, and we'll go through and show you everything that was fixed. So the first thing that was fixed was the seal here was all torn and ripped. So they replaced the seal. As you can see, it looks really nice now. The next thing that needed repaired was one of these little LED lights were out. So they had to put a new one of those in, so that's all in and that's repaired. Now on the inside, the major thing on the inside here was that our table had completely cracked in half. So they replaced the whole table. This one actually looks really nice. There's no little knots or any even remote little pieces of cracking or anything, so it looks really nice. then the other thing on the inside here was that all the frosting was starting to peel off the glass. So that's all been repaired. They had to put a whole new door on. They couldn't just fix the frosted section. So it looks really nice too. And the last thing, the only thing that's not quite done yet is we were missing a lot of these plugs. The dealership hadn't received those yet, but we took the camper before those, so they're going to send us them when they receive them. And while it was at the dealership, we also got the oil changed and the propane filled. So all in all, we're very happy with the repairs. Although it did take a little while, a lot of that was out of our control. So overall, we're very happy with the repairs.